Swimming isn't just a fun way to spend a sunny afternoon. It's also one of the most effective ways to keep your body looking and feeling young. From its impact on your skin to the way it strengthens your heart and muscles, swimming offers a wealth of benefits that go far beyond the pool. The first and most obvious benefit of swimming is the way it keeps your muscles toned and your body agile. Unlike high-impact activities, swimming is gentle on your joints while engaging virtually every major muscle group. The repetitive movements of each stroke, whether it's freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, or butterfly, help sculpt your arms, legs, back, and core without putting strain on your bones or ligaments. This makes swimming an ideal choice for people of all ages, especially those who want to maintain a youthful, lean physique as they get older. But the rewards of swimming don't stop at muscle tone. This full-body workout is exceptional for cardiovascular health. Regular swimming sessions strengthen your heart, improve lung capacity, and boost circulation. Increased blood flow carries more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, which can result in a healthy, youthful glow. If you've ever admired the smooth, clear skin of dedicated swimmers, this may be part of the reason why. Another key factor in staying young is maintaining flexibility. As we age, our muscles and joints naturally become stiffer. Swimming, with its dynamic range of motion, helps keep your body limber. The water acts as a natural form of resistance, encouraging your limbs to move more freely and with less pain. This increased flexibility can reduce the risk of injuries and make every movement, from reaching for something on a high shelf to tying your shoes, feel easier and more comfortable. Stress is often called the silent ager, and one of swimming's most underrated benefits is the way it soothes your mind. Submerging yourself in water and focusing on your breath and movement can have a calming, almost meditative effect. Stress hormones like cortisol break down collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to wrinkles over time. By reducing stress, swimming indirectly supports your skin's youthful elasticity. Many people leave the pool not only physically refreshed, but mentally revitalized, with a new sense of clarity and well-being. Sleep quality also has a significant impact on how youthful you look and feel. Exercise, in general, promotes deeper, more restorative sleep, and swimming is no exception. The combination of exertion, rhythmic breathing, and relaxation encourages your body to rest more soundly. Better sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate cells, which is critical for maintaining a fresher appearance. Swimming's benefits extend to weight management as well. It's a calorie-burning powerhouse, effective for shedding extra pounds or maintaining a healthy weight. Because water cools your body and you have to work harder to stay warm, you burn more calories than with many land-based exercises. Keeping a healthy weight is crucial to preventing lifestyle diseases and ensures a more youthful look. Lastly, swimming is known to promote social connection and enjoyment. Whether you swim with friends, participate in a class, or simply share your progress with others, staying socially active and engaged can help maintain sharp cognitive function and promote emotional well-being. Two vital components of healthy aging. To sum up, swimming offers an impressive array of benefits for those who want to look and feel young. From toning muscles and glowing skin to stress relief and enhanced sleep, this fun and accessible activity could be the secret to a more youthful you, both inside and out. So, whether you're a seasoned swimmer or a beginner looking to make a splash, remember, diving into the pool might just help you turn back the clock.